Hello all, welcome back again to my YouTube channel Zade Academy. The next lookup reference function that I want to share with you is called the index function. And before I even jump in, just hear me out. I know this is going to feel like one of those functions where you read it, you see that it does, and immediately you think yourself, why am I ever going to read to use the index function? What it does is so simple that there doesn't easier way to do it. And you're right, the fact is just like row and column, it's one of those functions that no one ever used by itself for that very reason. So it's so simplistic, but once you start combining it and using this index function as a component of other formulas, you can open the door to start doing some very cool things. So the index function by itself, all it does is return the value of a specific cell with an array. So you are just saying, hey Excel, here is this array of data or array of cells. I want you to move down to arrow number 7, the row number 7 and the column number 5, and tell me the value that you get. That's it. So syntax wise, the index formula has three components as you can see on the screen. The array, so what ranges you are looking at, row number, which is how many rows down do you want to go, and the column number, which is how many columns over do you want to move. So in this case here, you are going to start from the upper left corner of whatever arrays you specify, and then move down to the row number and over to the column number, and excel will tell you what it finds in that cell. So here we go. I mean, so here we are saying let's index the array from a1 through e11. Let's move down to the seventh row and move over to the fifth column, and when you do that it returns $6679 because that's the value that it found on the sale that it lands on. So again, very simple, trust me, this will take more sense in just a minute, so hold on your hands. So let's jump into an excel to just to explain the how the formula is working. It's very simple as I just explained earlier. So let's get started. Equals index, then you have need to select the array. The first one is say array. Let's begin from a1. Control shift right arrow to select the column, whole columns, and down to select all values. So a1 to e201, it selects all values. uh, Press f4 to fix the value. Then the row number is the one from which row you want the value. Let's say 8. Then the column number, from which column number you want the value. So let's say we have the car prices in column number 5, so let's say 5. Close the parenthesis and hit the enter button. You can see it's a 6679, which is 8th row, and what was that, column number 5. So 8th row column 5, which is this one, so it shows the 6679. Here you go. This is all about the index function. So thank you all, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this on SZ Academy. For other free courses, please mention in the comment box to create those courses free for you. Thank you all.